Yo, let's get this money. Easy money. Hey Siri, text Todd Discord. I'm hopping on now. Let me know what my mic sounds like. All right, y'all. Let's get this money. Let's get this money. Who's ready to get paid? Up. Let's pull it up. Let's pull it up. Oh, hold on. I need my Ethernet. Let me put my Ethernet in. We might lose. If we lose connection, stay patient. All right, mic sounds good, Todd. Thank you, brother. All right, let's get this money. Look at silver. We might lose connection for a little second because I'm shifting into my Ethernet connection. All right, silver. Give me a minute. Are we good? Are we rolling? Can I get in? Can I get in a play? All right, we got Ethernet. We're good, baby. Let's get this money. All right, guys, welcome back. Let's see what we got here real quick. We're making a pretty strong move. Buyers are definitely in control. I'm going to whip out my 1 minute. And the first thing I want to do is find a candle to play off of. All right, I know that this is bullish, okay? So I want to be able to participate with what, okay? Rule number one, low risk, okay? Every single decision I make in the market has this one thing in common: low risk, high reward. Okay, this is why we trade silver, and we only risk one bar. Okay, that's the job. That's the goal every single day. All right. So let's see what we get right here. This is not the healthiest 5-minute trend, but the first thing I want to identify is that we do have a red bar ignored. Okay, so I want to highlight that. Now I need to pull up my think or swim so that I can spot that 1 hour time frame. Okay, what do we got here? Really healthy. Look at this off the 9 right here. 2 minute 9 DEMA on the 1 minute. Pretty healthy. All right, cool. How about today's price action, y'all? Listen, the Discord today absolutely friggin' killed it. All right, we absolutely crushed it today. So, like, if you aren't on my team, like, listen, I'm going to be fine. My team's going to be fine. But if you are looking for a team to actually take advantage of this market, click the links below, get involved, at least get the free mini course on the strategy. It's helped hundreds of traders. Just learn to trade with way more confidence. So take the time, check it out. It takes literally less than 5 minutes, and you're going to get completely filled in on how we like to trade, the strategy, and all of that as well. Okay, so today is going to be a perfect example of how we trade it. All right, so real quick, on silver, we got a key level at 89.18. All right, we're right there. I'm looking for buying acceptance above it to target previous day high. All right, so give me a minute here while I whip out my think or swim so I can get a little bit more analytical on the analysis. All right, 5-minute trend looks really healthy. We got that clean move. All right, let's go. Let's let that pull up. Let's see what gold looks like. What's gold look like? Gold is MGC, baby. Gotta love my precious metals. All right, once again, let's whip out that 1 hour. Interesting. Interesting. So we got target up there. We're coming into a pretty important level here on the 1 hour, right? So honestly, on gold, selling actually makes a little bit of sense. But once again, what's happening? We keep respecting the 5 EMA here on gold, right? We keep respecting that. So honestly, hold on, what do we got? We got micro gold. I'm going to take a super small play here, and I'm going to put my stop right there. Okay, we're just dipping, we're just hopping in something small, nothing crazy. Okay, we're going to take a long here on gold. Let's see what we get. And this is literally at a resistance. So if this swings on me, that's completely fine. Not worried about it. We're just dipping the beak. Okay, I'm going to let that sit while I look at silver. See what we get here on silver. All right, look at silver, bro. This thing's cooking. Let me map this out. So previous day high, you're going to be way up here. You can't see my charts? You guys can't see my charts? What you mean? What up? Tell your screen. Screen 2. Share audio. Boom. How about now? Can you see it? Hey Siri. Text Todd Discord. Can you see my chart? All right, cool. Appreciate you guys. All right, y'all seen that? Look at this on the 2. Right? Look at what just happened. We came right into the 5 EMA and buyer showed strength. Right? So once again, we're just playing a pattern here. Actually though, this isn't my favorite long play. Definitely kind of rushed it a little bit. We're gonna take one off. All right, but I do like how we're holding that 5. All right, I do like that. I don't want to waste too much time on gold because silver is where it's at right now. But we are already in the trade. So let me go like this. We're going to go long position right here. Let's see what we get here. And I'm going to whip out that 1 minute. Look at it, dude. Look at that. Look at that on gold right there. Once again, what we're doing, we're just using our moving averages. That's it. All right. What's silver doing? What's silver doing? Oh my God, silver is pumping. What am I doing trading gold, bruh? What am I doing trading gold, bruh? Look at that bull 180 on gold, though. You gotta love that. Look at that. All right, so we got, okay. I'm watching silver for some opportunity, potentially. Silver's coming right into that 2 minute 5. Let's see here. Look at silver, bro. So silver's extremely bullish right now. Extremely bullish. Men lie, women lie. Moving averages don't. I like how, look at this. Look where my 9 is on gold. It's all the way up here. So let's see what we get. Once again, I don't love this gold play. If we respect the 20, I'll add into it. Let's see what we get. Also watching silver. Let's see. Yeah, we're just hopping in something light. We'll keep it right below it. See what we get. This is definitely a resistance on gold. I just don't listen. I don't know. Something's wrong with me. All right. Like I'm the type of guy that likes to long into resistance. So once again, something's wrong with me. If my moving averages are being respected, I'm trading with the moving average every single time. Every single time. If that moving average gets respected, I'm trading with it. 100%, 150%. So you just can't be scared. You just got to rifle it off. I'm watching silver. Ooh, look at gold too. All right, so when I look at silver, what do I see? 5 minute EMA. I'm sorry, the 2 minute EMA keeps holding. Still no crazy. What up, Sparky? Got my HPT team with me. I love y'all, man. I love you guys, bro. All right, I am watching silver. We're going to give this a little room, right? Nothing crazy. 2 contracts, risking $200. Not worried about it. I want to see if this holds. What's the 1 hour look like? Terrible. The 1 hour does not look good. But you know what? I'm not afraid. I ain't afraid, son. We ain't afraid. All right, watching silver as well. 5 minute trend looks healthy on silver, guys. 5 minute trend looks healthy. Getting a little pullback. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. Guys, watch gold here. Just watch it. I'm telling you. Whenever you think something's going to happen, the market tends to do something different. Let's see what we get. What time is it? 7? What's up, baby? 3. Really? Nice. If you need some, you could grab them, baby. Yeah. Okay. And queso? Okay. Yeah, it's okay, baby. It's all right. It's okay. Yeah. All right. Oh, yeah. Will you be good till then? Okay. Okay. You guys see this low? My bad. My bad. I'm on a live. Look at the low. Look at the low here. That's cool though. That's good. Yeah. Really? What, for Stella? Let's see, where's this? Really? Oh, look at this, guys. Look at this. I'm a little thirsty right now. I'm not gonna lie. I'm thirsty for a move. I'm thirsty. I gotta chill out a little bit. It's just, huh? These treats. I want to come back and get them for her. But they're only $4 for a big ass bag of them. They're like the chicken broth biscuits. They have like pumpkin, oats, like spinach, meat. There's a bunch of stuff in them. Really? So they're really good for her. Yes. So I want to come back and get some this weekend for her. Okay, sounds good. All right. I love you. I love you, baby. I'll see you when you get home. Bye. All right, guys, I'm giving this a little room because we're at the 2-minute 20. Let's see here if the 2-minute 20. Yeah, we got to respect. The 2-minute 20 was respected right here. So if we respect the 2-minute 20, I'll add into this. Once again, we're fighting a pretty strong resistance here on gold. So if I get clipped, once again, I hopped in this pretty thirsty. So I completely understand if this clips me. I don't care. It's not a big deal. I'll give it like a little room, just because sometimes it'll wick and snag up. But once again, this really isn't my favorite trade. And I'm more focused on silver right now, honestly. Oh, whoop, whoop. Is she gonna get me? Is she gonna get me? Whoop. Suck up. Come on. Close above that 20 and I'll hop in. I'll add in. Come on, baby. Come on, Shug. Come on, Shug. Ah, look at that. What we got left on this candle? 40 seconds? All right, we're going to stay patient. Look at that. That's God's favor, baby. Why doesn't the 1 hour look good? That's a great question. So let me break into that here. So basically over here at HBT, we study moving averages. And basically that's just me trying to sound cool, right? So when I say the 1 hour doesn't look good, it's because it's far away from the 9 DEMA. So right here, I'm going to go 9 DEMA. All right. The 9 DEMA is the moving average I like to use. Like you've seen yesterday's sell-off. Okay. Notice where the 9 was. We were pretty close to price action, which helped us. Oh, hold on. We held that. So let's see. I'm looking to add in here potentially. Okay. Potentially. If we start to suck up here. All right. I'm going to put on one more. I know it's a little sketchy, but I'm not risking, like, that's literally, you got to try that. We did hold that 2-minute 20. So I'm going to throw one more on. Let's see if we can get a push up. If not, we'll take the L and move on to silver. All right. Silver's also fallen below 89.08. So that's key. She gonna get me? She gonna get me? Oh, she gonna get me. She gonna get me. Hit me. All right, she hit me. She clipped me. So once again, just to go back to what we were talking about, when you're far away from the 1 hour trend, price tends to do what it's doing right here, okay? It's like, what's the basic principle with a moving average, right? Let's look at this 5-minute trend right here. And what I'm about to tell you took me years to figure out. Look at this 5-minute trend, okay? Look at that blue line. You see how it's hugging price? You see how there's no large extensions? So this is what I like to call healthy, right? This is a healthy trend, which is what will help me justify long entries here, 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 okay? I can execute with confidence because I know the trend's healthy. Now, if we open that up on a larger scale, we're going to notice that we're actually pretty far away from the 1 hour 90 EMA. So we're using that same principle that we just used here, and we're applying it to the 1 hour, and then we're going, okay, the 1 hour trend isn't the best, right? So that's why I'm willing to say that the 1 hour trend is unhealthy. All right, silver. Ooh, silver, micro silver. I'm in it. I'm in a long here on micro silver. All right, and my stop's gonna go right there. We're in a RBI. We respected the 2-minute 20. Let's go. This is the blueprint. This is it, guys. Sparky, these are the trades we want to study. Okay, because ready? Here's my risk. Hold on. What the hell? What just happened? Okay, so once again, these are the trades that we want to study. Even though we're at a critical level, this might not go in my favor, but I'm going to take this because look at my risk here. All right, what? Hold on. My risk is right here, and look at my reward. This is key. All right, this is key. I have to take this. Todd, tell him you respect the moving average. 2-minute 20. I have to take this. Even though it's at a key level and that 1 hour sucks, I gotta take this. This is my bread and butter. I'm gonna put it a couple wicks below. Let's get it. Let's get it. This is a long play. Once again, not worried about it. If it goes in my way, no doubt. If not, not worried about it. We ain't worried about it. Gotta take it. If I hold that 2-minute 20, I gotta take it. So let's see here what we get. We've been on fire lately. So we're due for a couple, you know. Once again, I really, the more I trade, the more I realize it's just all about that risk reward. It's all about the risk reward. See, if I take trades like this, where I'm risking 300 to make 500, I'm good with that. Ooh, give it a little room. It's coming to tag it. It's coming to tag it. We're retesting. It might get ugly here, but we're in the AOV. We're in the AOV. All right. This is the area of value. Can she hold? Clip me. Bam. She being fussy. She being fussy. Watch too. She's probably gonna suck up. And if she sucks up and holds that 20, I'll get right back in it. That's my criteria. I take it over and over. All right. Let's see here. Let's see. Look at this friggin' thing. Look at this thing. And honestly, it makes sense because the 1 hour is so dang far away. It's super far away, bro. It's super far away. And we're at a super key level right here on silver. Super key level. This guy right here, 89.08. So let me do what I should have done. And that's figure out this 1 hour trend here real quick in daily time frame. So yeah, on the daily, we're coming up. We're tagging the moving average. Okay. Okay. What else? What else? Coming into the AOV. Stay a little patient here. Stay a little patient. Yo, watch this close above the no. Okay. All right. Let's see. Patience. What's up, Brandon? What's up, Brandon? Got my boys here. Got my boys here. All right, so I'm gonna pull up gold and I'm gonna pull up silver. All right, we're gonna watch them both. We're gonna watch them both. Let's see. So I'm gonna go like this. MGC. Like that. No, not. All right, we got GC like that. And of course, silver's gonna wick me out and then continue. Which, you little bitch. I'm trying one more. I know, guys. I'm being a little degenerate. I don't like getting wicked out like that. So let's see what we get. We're gonna try one more here. See what we get. Ass and elbows, Eric. Ass and elbows. Ass and elbows, baby. When you understand the story, the odds are in your favor. All right, we got our stop right below this candle. We're gonna throw this up here. And as this unravels, let's see what we get. It's a touchy one. It's a touchy one. But Todd, these are the candles you're always telling me about. Look, ready? There they go, baby. Let's see if this can continue here. Let's see what we get. So look at how this candle right here wiped everything out to the left. Right? I took that loss, got stomped out. The market just took my money from me. But I'm not going to let my feelings get hurt. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to go, okay, who's got the ball? Right? Who's defending the AOV right here? Buyers. So, without getting my panties in a twist, I'm going to take a long play. Not the best entry here, but we'll give it a shot. We'll give it a shot. Let's see what we get. Yeah, it's a pretty large 2-minute candle. I don't want to put myself at too much risk, but let's see. Let's see what we get. See what we get. Yes, sir. They can't stop me. Even if they stopped me. Yeah, I'm alone. All right, let's see. Let's see if we can take this 1 minute 20 right here. Let's see if buyers can build some strength there. Right at that 1 minute 20. All right, I like it. I'm gonna bump my stop. I'm gonna keep it like right at 100. Hold up. Woo! Almost clipped me. Gotta give it a little room. This is a key level right here, guys. This is a key level on silver. Watch the 2 minute 20. 2-minute 20. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see. Come on. Come on, 2-minute 20. What you got? What you got? I may have chased it. It's gonna clip. Breathe. Breathe. Slow it down. Slow it down, baby. What we watching? There's no rush. I'm rushing. I gotta chill out. Chill. You know, has this ever happened to you guys? Where you start doing pretty well, and then you get a little, you know, trigger happy. I gotta check myself real quick. I'm checking myself, and I'm charting gold. So hold on. Slow it down. Gotta slow it down. Slow it down. Okay, so gold's at a pretty key level. Let's see. Let me show you guys what I'm looking at right here. Key level right here. I'm watching silver as we come into the bottom of this AOV. Okay, sellers are definitely showing a lot of strength, and once again, it's for good reason. We're super far away. Ready, guys? This is what we call a pocket. Okay, pocket. That right there is sketchy. You want to stay away from this. This is a pocket. Okay, pocket means pullback. That's if it gives me a couple hundred, I'm willing to take it. Eric, you're my boy, bro. I freaking dude. If I can get a little bit of green, shit, I'll take the shot. Listen, it's gonna happen. This is probably a short play. Look at that gap on the 1 hour, bruh. Look at that gap. That's a massive gap on silver. That is unhealthy. And your boy's over here long in the eye like a retard. It's okay because we use risk management. Okay, ready? I want to show you guys. All right, I'm watching this like a hawk. Okay? Watch the retest of this zone. Okay? Okay, ready? This is what I'm watching right here. Potentially. I'm looking for this play, but I want my risk very tight. Okay? It's a little sketch. But if I were about this guy, what we got? AOV. Perfect here. I'm not in it yet. Okay? But this is a sharp pullback. Sharp pullback right here. I don't know if I want to take it just yet. I'm just spitballing. Okay? Spitballing, Eric. Ready? Watch it. Are my hotkeys on? Oh, sunk right through it. See, that's why we don't rush nothing. Hotkeys on. Check. All right. Don't care about P&L right now. I'm just watching chart. Just watching the chart, baby. Just watching the chart. All right, we came right. Oh, guys. That's the long. Watch. Watch this. Watch this. I am. Come on, pull down. Pull down. Pull down. Hold up. I want to make sure I do this correct. Right there at that 5 minute. 5 minute 20. I want a good entry on this. I don't want to risk a lot on this. Once again, what are we doing here, guys? We're playing our strategy. We're literally playing a red bar ignored retest with the 5 minute 20. I want to see how this candle closes. Okay, hold on. We got 1:30 left on this 5 minute. It's worth waiting. It's worth waiting. Just stay patient. If this closes above that 20, I'm getting in this. long. First target's 89.13. Second target will be high of day. Okay? We're approaching this risk first. Okay? Tight risk. We're not in it yet. I'm just staying a little patient. Because that 1 hour we could sell right through. All right, 57 seconds. I'm going to take a leak. I'll be right back. Oh yeah, baby. So this is this is starting to look okay, but I need that 5-minute candle to close above that 20. Hold up, ready? I'm gonna show you guys. See, this is why we're patient. You gotta be patient. Yeah, Steve, so I have a bunch of indicators that I mean just one really for the 1 hour 9, everything in the EMA cloud. If you hop onto our Discord, even the free version of it, I could give you them indicators if you want them, buddy. All right, look at this on gold. Oh my God, look at gold, bro. Look at gold. Look at gold. Look at gold. Look at silver. That's an RBI, baby. Listen. It's frustrating because I was 2 seconds from long in that. I was 2 seconds from long in that. But it's completely fine. You know why? Because I understand the context. Okay? The context is bullish. Look where that 1 hour trend is right now. Okay? It's perfect. Perfect. Or even, Steve, even if you click that link below and go on my website, if you opt in, I'll have your email and I can send them to you. Check it out, brother. We got a phenomenal team too. Phenomenal team. We trade every day. Absolute savages. Check it out, bro. It's a great resource. I'm building the best team out, man. This is all real deal, right? Like, we're not here. Like, this is like genuine, just regular individuals putting in work. We crushed it today. I mean, bro, look at today's price action. We murdered it. And I like to remind myself, right? I got to be very clear that, like, just because yesterday was a good day doesn't mean today, right now, is going to be amazing, right? I got to pull it back. Be like, okay, right? What do I need to see to pull the trigger? You know what I'm saying? And right now, I like this RBI. I really do. This is good. But my risk is crazy with it. So I got to find something else to play off of, right? We're coming into the 2-minute 20. We couldn't close outside of it. But I am going to cut this RBI in half. Let's see if buyers can defend that fib right there. Okay? That's how I'll play it. Let's see. Look at gold with the RBI. I might just hop in small size on gold just to be a part of it. Look at that. Right off 50.18. That's beautiful. Look at that. All right. All right, it's come on, baby. Come on, Suge. Come on, Suge. Give me an entry, sugar. Give me something small, baby. Is it silver? Key level, not chasing this. Staying patient, okay? Stay patient. Stay patient, doggy. Stay patient. She coming. She coming. She coming. She coming. This is opportunity right here. Not chasing it. We got previous day high up here as our upside target. We don't got to chase it. We got plenty of upside potential. What's this, guys? Oh, that's a little trend. So now we got an AOV. I'm looking for something like this, okay? Let's get a little push up, a little push down, and a rally. All right? Potentially. That's the goal. That's an AOV. That's what you guys see in all my videos, okay? Red bar ignored. That right there is the area of value. Right here, okay? Right here. This is the area of value, okay? This is what I always talk about. These, anytime you get an RBI or GBI, you must draw a box around it, okay? It's going to be the most important part on your chart. It's going to literally come down. It's going to retest it. There's going to be some sort of, like, look it. So if that's what happened right here, right? Area value retest. I'm hoping I get an entry. Might not. If not, I might have to stay a little patient, okay? We're going to stay a little patient. Gold's not moving the way I thought. All right. Now, we're also above the 50 Fibonacci on this move. So buyers are showing strength right here. Buyers are cooking. Cooking. All right, gold. You know what? I'm watching gold as well. If I can get a bounce off the 2-minute 20 on gold, I'll take it. Because my risk will be so high and tight. So let's we'll watch gold and you know what? I'm gonna trade silver. Silver has a little bit more gas. So I'm looking for a little pullback here. I want to be able to put my stop loss like right here at 88.88. Risk like 10 cents. Something's tiny. I'll even play off the 1-minute 20 here if I get it. Oh, look at gold. Gold's looking ugly. No, it ain't. That's opportunity right there on gold. We're going to try one. Put my stop right here. See what we get. Going to try it long. Let's get it. Not the best entry, but we're going to give this a shot. We're going to put our stop a little below that previous candle. Let's see what we can get. Let's see if we can get some continuation here. Only thing I don't like about this is I'm far away from my moving average. I'm far away from my moving average. I'm a little far away. Yeah, I'm a little far away. But I'm just going to keep it right there. Let's see. I'm going to keep it right below this guy. Ooh, there we go. Just playing that healthy trend. Let's see if we can get some continuation here. But all we're doing is flipping the coin, right? We got an RBI. Didn't get a great or perfect entry, but we still have clean risk, clean reward. Oh, look at gold, bro. This is a key level on silver. Who was with us yesterday? We caught that crazy move on gold. Crazy move yesterday on gold. All right, let's go. Let's go. Tighten it up. Two-minute moving average looks pretty solid. Once again, I don't like being that far away from my 2-minute 20, but it is what it is. We got to hold 89.25. We got to hold 89.25. Keep our stop right there. Five-minute candles trying. Gold with the RBI right now. This thing's just getting in my way, bro. Who remembers this song? You know what time it is. If you don't care, then we don't care. Limp Biscuit, bro. Yeah. If this pops, we'll be lucky. We're too far away from that 20. So I notice where I'm putting my stop here. I'm putting it tight. I don't want to put it way down here. I mean, I guess I can. It's $250. What's the difference? $100. That's all right. Let's see. We'll keep it right there. It's just let's see. Hold on. Maybe we get another RBI. We're struggling at this 89.25 level though, and I don't like it. I don't like it. 89. This needs to go like right here. 89.25. This is the level. That's what's giving us. Watching that 1 minute 20. Uh-oh. All right, I gotta go. I'm keeping this open. I'm gonna be right back. My daughter is sleeping, so I'm gonna just bump this up like right there. Hold on. My daughter does this thing where she pretends to fall asleep in the back of the car. Yo, babe. Okay. All right, guys, hold on. I'll be right back. Where do I want this? We're just gonna leave it. We're gonna leave it right here. It's kind of deep, but it is what it is. Can't be scared your whole life. I'll be right back. All right. Yeah, that was a dumb trade by me, guys. Oh, and then it holds a 2 minute 20. All right, it's probably my last one. I held that 2 minute 20 perfect. We're going 2 here. I know it's degeneracy, but I gotta start dinner. And I like this, so I'm gonna give it a shot. It's really not the best move, but we had a really good day yesterday, and this is my criteria. So I'm gonna give this a stab. Let's see. We held that 2 minute 20 really well. We're gonna put this right below, a little bit below that previous 2 minute bar right there. And I just show you guys what I'm looking at here. See this 50% retracement, this whole move, right? You cut it in half. We're retesting it. It's lining up with the 2-minute 20. Perfect. So I got to try this. I got to. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Come on, love. Come on, love. We got to get past that trend line. Come on. Come on, Shug. Come on, bro, you got to take that. That's the strategy right there. Got to. I'm cooking a phenomenal dinner. Phenomenal dinner tonight. It's chicken, cheesy chicken, and rice. Where's all my chefs at? Where's all my chefs at? Just gotta let it do its thing, man. We had a freaking killer day yesterday. And we're gonna have another killer day today. You know, it is what it is. Some days you do extremely well. Other days, it is what it is. I'll end up capping this though. If this doesn't, oh baby, listen. Listen. Come on, baby. It's a probability game, right? You just flip the damn coin. It's not about being perfect every trade, right? If I hit this trade, I'll just keep flipping the coin, right? Like that's people, you know. And the more I trade, the more I realize that, right? It's literally at the end of the day, and obviously that doesn't mean go full retard and just take every single trade that you see. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't take the best trades when I first hopped on. I was kind of rushing. And you know, that's something that I got to deal with, right? Like we all got to take personal inventory of ourselves. This is definitely my strategy, right? I have to take this. If we can continue, I'll end up adding into this, right? So I want to see that structure continue to build. Once again, we got, and I'll just, for anybody that doesn't know it, the strategy is identify an RBI, okay? Identify a healthy moving average relationship, and then play off the moving average, right? So we're in longs right now. Let's get it. Let's see what we get. This is that level. But guys, look what we just got right here. What's this? Hold on. This right here, you guys see that? That's a red bar, okay? That's an RBI, baby. Stands for red bar ignored, okay? So we want, basically, when I see something like that, it's telling me that buyers kind of, you know, muscled through them sellers and said, we rolling, 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 rolling. What? Keep rolling, 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 rolling. Yeah. Where's my Limp Biscuit at? See? What we getting? Crazy strong push. Keep on rolling, baby. You know what time it is. Yo, Eric. Eric, you remember this? Limp Biscuit, chocolate starfish, and the hot dog flavored water. Rolling, 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 rolling. Cause if you don't care, then we don't care. Bump up that stop. Oh, come on, baby. So right now I'm thinking, how can I logically add into this, right? Because what do I know? I know the odds are in my favor pretty well, right? I know that because we respected that 2 minute 20 inside of AOV with a healthy 1 minute or with a healthy 1 hour trend. We're gonna bump that stop up. And I'm honestly trying to maybe add into this. We got two cons on silver. Potentially, we might be able to add into this. Bro, this has been such a good week. Like, yo, guys, well, this is cooking. Hold on, all my Discord traders, you guys already know the type of week we've been having, but like, we've been murdering this. It's crazy. Like, I'm blown away. Like, and it all just stems around just stop caring so damn much. Just let her go, baby. Join a good team of individuals you can relate with, like, build with. In my opinion, that's what HBT was always about, man. Like, it's a genuine, authentic team of individuals that get together and are working hard to become the absolute best version of themselves, man. That's why I started HBT. I'm holding this. This is going to be our entry to add in, okay? Watch. I'm getting rid of this thing for now. Hold on. Let's just push this over here. I've seen this before, guys, okay? We got a red bar ignored. So, what are we going to do? Play the retest. Give me a retest, and I will definitely add into this. It's never too late. It's never too late. Also, make sure you like the damn video. Do your boy, I guess, a favor. Honestly, I really don't give a damn. Like the video, don't like the video. Take the trade, don't take the trade. Join the team, don't join. It really don't matter. I honestly, I do this. I do this for me. I love coming on here and trading. I love trading. Especially silver recently has really helped me kind of, just broaden my perspective and, just like, and see really what's possible, right? So let's see if we can get an ad in here. What's happening? That 1 minute 5's holding pretty good. Let's see. I'm watching the retest of the AOV. Those are the trades I love. Right there, baby. 2 minute. Watching the 2 minute 5 here. You want to be very careful of like where you're adding in. You can butcher all your profits if you add in wrong. Fast. My rule of thumb, make sure it's next to a moving average. And if I'm going to add in off the 5, my stop goes below the candle that respected the 5. It's that simple. That's it. That's my goal each and every single day. over and over again. As long as I'm trading off my moving averages, I'm keeping them high and tight. Ooh, let's see here. Let's see. Do I want to pull it up? Do I want to pull it up? Yes. No. Maybe so. Let's see. I like that it's holding though. I like that it's holding. That's beautiful. That's a good one, mate. That's a good one right there, mate. That's a good one, mate. Oh, look at that. That's beauteous. That's beauteous. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, look at that. Ready? Let's go, baby. Clean. And once again, right? Look, we held that 2-minute 5 perfect. Absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. Let's get that right into the high. We'll trim. And maybe we'll start getting a rally here. Ooh, first trim, check. Take it. Take it. Pop that up. Got the stop up. Pull her up. Pull her up. What we got up here? PDH. Oh, we going to previous day high. We going to previous day high, bro. Look at that. Hold on. Look. Come on, love. Come on, babe. Come on, babe. Come on, babe. PDH. PDH. Let's go. Look at that push. Beautiful. 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 This thing keeps bothering me. And once again, right? Like, let's just do a quick recap. So clean 2-minute 20 retest, right? And once again, like when you're getting a 2-minute 20 retest, price comes in at 2-minute 20, can't close below the 2-minute 20. We hop in off the 2-minute 20. And my risk can be extremely tight. That's what these are the sort of trades I look for each and every single day. Each and every single day. Super tight risk, super high reward, rinse, repeat, over and over and over again. Let's let that go. I'm going to put my stop right here. We're going to keep our stop up at PDH. Let's see. I'm trying to find a good spot to add in on this. And like, once again, I'm going to drop. So what am I going to do? I'm going to drop to my lower time frame and go, okay, like where can I add in? And I'm going to look to my moving average, right? Like if I get a bounce off the 5, we've been respecting the 5. So that's not a bad, that's not a bad add-in. Same with this one right here. Clean bounce off the 5. I'm looking for patterns, right? I'm just looking for patterns over and over again. Rinse, repeats. Rinse, repeats. Rinse, repeat. Over and over. Again and again and again and again and again and again. It's always the same. I gotta hit the head. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna leave. Hold on. Let's see. Hold on. Hold up. Give me 1 second. All right, how do I want to play this? Watch the 2 minute. Where do I want to put this? Hold on, let's see. Let's see. Keep the stop below that 2 minute. If we respect this, I'm gonna hold on. Oh, and that's bouncing off our high right here. Yes, sir. So if it respects that, I'll add in. But what's my 5 minute trend looking like? Oh yeah, that's healthy. That's healthy right there. That's a healthy 5 minute trend. And we respected it. Hold up. Not getting in yet. I like that we couldn't close below that. What's my, hold on. It's dicey. That's a dicey add in. But that 5 minute trend looks good. I am going to add in. Can't be scared your whole life, right? We're going to add into that. I could tighten up my stop right there. We're going to leave it right there for a minute. We'll yeah. Let's see. We're going to try something here. Once again, you guys see what I did right there, right? I added in right off. Seen that? Boom. Is anyone in this with me? My stop loss. Oh, my stop loss. I just gradually move it up. Steve. Yeah. So actually, I have a phenomenal opportunity right now. Join my Discord for a whole year, $150, one-time payment. And once again, right, we got phenomenal resources inside my Discord, right? And I'm not trying to beat people over the head with it. The mentorship program is actually completely full, but if you want to join the Discord, one-time payment, that comes with 2 sessions with me where we break down the strategy, break down the edge completely. Click the link in my bio if you want to take advantage of that. Yeah, I'm going to cook dinner real soon, babe. Come here, Jenny. You're my good luck charm. If you want my phone, you got to come here and say hi real quick.
Hello.
What's up? How was your day? Was it good? Okay. How was gymnastics?
Good.
Okay.
Ballet.
Ballet, yes, ballet. Well, it's either gymnastics or ballet, or this kid is the busiest kid in the world, okay?
I don't do theater anymore.
No more theater.
Who sings?
All right, guys, I'm watching. I want to make sure this continues to hold right here. And it might not, right? It might not. You can grab it, baby. You can grab it.
Stop.
Yeah, it's on the magnet.
Why'd you put that there? So you can do that.
Dropping things.
You put that there so you can do it.
Yeah.
You can honestly just, when you cook, you can put it on the fridge.
Yeah, that's why I have that. I love that. All right, 1 minute 20. Look at this bounce. Yeah, it does. Oh, look at that bounce off the 1 minute 20. Oh, give me a little bit of buyers and nope. Smacked. Nothing. Smacked. Got me. So on that note, I think you guys heard I gotta go cook dinner. All in all, took a couple losers today, and first couple trades definitely rushed it a little bit. That was a beautiful trade right there. I made the decision to add into that. So once again, right, like every decision I make, I already like it is what it is. You accept the risk, you pull the trigger, and you keep it moving, right? Would I have done anything different? Not on that trade. That trade was actually really good. If this 2 minute 20 holds, I'll try one more. Not gonna lie to you. And before I do that though, let me see. What time is it? All right, I gotta call it. Yeah, it's dicey. Look at gold. Look at gold. Gold looks pretty good. Gold looks pretty good. Yeah, that's all right. Live to fight another day, my friends. Okay, I love y'all. Might get a little. Ooh, look at this on gold. 2 minutes one. Yeah, that's the bounce right there, right off the AOV. But I'm done. After 3 trades, I'm not trading no more. I love you guys. Everybody have a great night. If anyone needs anything from me, you know how to get a hold of me. Check out the mini courses below. And keep killing it, guys. Let's finish this week strong. Oh, and by the way, we trade live on YouTube on Friday, New York session. So I don't know if I'm trading Asian session tomorrow. I'm gonna try. I like this little streak that we got going on right here. That did hold. That hold 2 minutes 20. Nope. I'm gonna stick to my rules. Okay. I love you guys. Have a great night. Keep the faith. Peace.